Hello creators, let's start by revising quadratic sequences. We're going to start by extending a quadratic sequence. Let's say we're given this sequence here, which is quadratic. So this is 10, 15, 16, 13, right? So we find the first differences, say 15 minus 10, which is 5, 16 minus 15, which is 1, then 13 minus 16, which is -3. Right, these are the first differences, which are actually linear or arithmetic. Then the second differences are constant. 1 minus 5, that is -4. Then -3 minus 1, that is -4. Now, how can we extend this sequence so that we have more terms here? What we can do, we can start from the second differences, because we know that for a quadratic sequence, the second differences are constant. So what you can do, you can start with your second difference there, which is -4, right? And then you add this, you say -3 plus -4, -3 plus -4, which is -7, okay? Then come here and say 13 plus -7. 13 plus -7, which is like 13 minus 7, which is 6. See, we've extended by one term there. Let's just extend with one more term. Then we have our second difference, which is -4. Then say -7 plus -4. -7 plus -4 is like -7 minus 4, which is -11, right? And then here you just say 6 plus -11, which is like 6 minus 11. Then 6 minus 11, that is -5. Okay, this is how you extend a quadratic sequence. Let's just do one more example. Let's say 10, 5, 2. Let's extend this sequence by two terms. I'll be fast here. 5 minus 10, that is -5. Then 2 minus 5, that is -3. Then our second difference, -3 minus -5. That will be like -3 plus 5, which is 2. So our second difference is 2, and is constant. Always remember that the first differences of a quadratic sequence are arithmetic or linear, right? And then our second difference is constant, we start with it. Then say -3 plus 2. -3 plus 2, that is -1. And then 2 plus -1, like 2 minus 1, which is 1. See, you've extended there. Start with your second difference, 2, -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2, which is what? Which is 1. Then 1 plus 1, which is 2. You see that? So this is how we extend a quadratic sequence.